Hi, welcome to the Canine First Aid and CPR studio. Today we're going to talk a little bit about ears. Maybe you need to clean out the ears, they might stink, maybe ear mites. Let's go down to Susie and see what she has for us.
Hi, so we are talking about dogs. So this is Hank here. He's our lovely little model. You could tell he's having a terrible time. But let's go ahead and look at his ear canal, and I just want to do a quick tip on what not to do first. You never want to put anything into the ear canal to include Q-tips, any products, or essential oils. That can cause damage to the eardrum. So what I do have, I have a cotton ball here, and I'm going to use citronella oil, but you could use tea tree oil, lemongrass, lavender. There's a bunch of different oils that you can use on the list of things that are good for ear health. So I just went ahead and dabbed a couple of drops onto the cotton ball, and then I'm just going to gently rub it right around Hank's ear here. You just want to be gentle. No, you don't want to cause any trauma. But this is great for any kind of smelly ear, any kind of ear mites, anything, any itching, any kind of allergies that they might have. And you could actually look at that. You could see it's starting to work its way out now. Good job, Hank. And I'm just gonna go a little bit more in there. And you can see it starting to come out right there. Yeah, good job, buddy. Okay, and then just a quick another tip. If you do have products that you find in the at the supermarket, you want to look at the list of ingredients. If you see the word fragrance, you want to stay away from that. Dogs and humans tend to have allergies to that. It's also highly stable in the human body, so it's stored in fat cells, just a little FYI. But fragrance is the bad word, so stay away from anything that says fragrance. That is synthetic. So you want to use a pure essential oil. That includes essential oils that you find in the supermarket. Those ones are not pure. They are cut with other products. So you definitely want to make sure that you're buying the right essential oils. If you need information on where to get your essential oils, follow the link below. There will be information on how to get your hands on essential oils. And then if you like our YouTube channel, definitely follow it because there's going to be a lot of tips on there.